Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Finally, after what's been 2 weeks. So we're carrying on now with the restoration of the tennis razors. It's been a couple of weeks since I did the last shave test, because basically, and I'm not making excuses, it's a fact, that over the last 2 weeks I've had to keep appointments for CT scans, X-rays, ultrasound scans, and it's just ongoing. And I found it very difficult to concentrate on any restoration work or making videos or anything while all these negatives are in the way. So basically I had to close down my shop because I can't cope with having to concentrate on restoration work and all the cancer thing, you know. Anyway, so we're on with this 7-day set of tennis razors. We've got up to Friday and Saturday. It's Fridays and Saturday, and now all these tests are over. I'll finish off this week. So this is Friday. Can you see it's the right way around? I get my glasses on, I can see what I'm doing better. Friday, right way around. I'll step out of the shot. And they're all pretty much the same. Pivot's quite strong. It's cleaned up nicely. Only a little bit of delicate cleaning, honing. All these razors have responded quite well to my delicate honing techniques. It says extra ground, extra hollow ground on there. There we are. So, proof is in the pudding, as they say. So shave test one half with Friday and the other half with Saturday. Speed things up a little bit. Yeah, I decided with all these negatives going on, scans and stuff, I decided to close the shop and escape to the hills. After I got the last scan, which was the ultrasound, which confirmed, along with the CT scans, that I'm actually clear of cancer. Or should I say, for the next 6 months before the next set of tests. But for now I'm clear. So I closed my shops, my Etsy shops, and rented a nice little apartment in the hills to switch off. And I'm back and I feel a lot better for having a break. It just gets a bit too much, you know. You need to get a break occasionally. Oh, cramp. And the nurse doing the CT scan confirmed that I'm not pregnant. Which I was quite pleased about. Don't want stretch marks on my belly at my time of life. Anyway. So it was quite a relief last week. Not only for me, but for the whole family, and you know, it's quite a worry for my wife as well. It's not easy for any of us. Anyway, that's enough about negatives. I'll just rinse this blade off. These are very delicate blades, by the way, but don't underestimate them. They're still razor sharp. They've taken off, that's about a week's growth there, and you're just taking it off in one swipe. But always remember to clean, dry your blades afterwards. Very, very important. Not too bad with stainless steel blades, but if they're made from carbon steel, or low quality carbon steel, they'll actually rust as you're looking at them. So, let's get Saturday the right way around. Saturday, there we go. Saturday's razor. And again, the pivot is quite stiff, indicating not too much use, and the engraving is still on there, just like everything's exactly the same. All the razors are exactly the same. I'll just refresh this. Quite humid in this bathroom at the moment, so the soap dries up pretty quick. Combined with the heat from your skin as well. You probably can't see unless you look closely, but in certain areas I am using a guillotine technique whereby you start at the back of the blade and going in a straight line, not a diagonal, but going in a straight line, you work the blade across to the front like a guillotine. So it goes, you're going down, but you're actually going across at the same time. Like here, for example, I'll start off in the middle of the blade and work down to the front, the toe. Hey ho. Oh. Oh, I keep getting cramp in me. Ready? Yeah, a straight line on the old tash. There we go. Okie dokie, so that's shave test on Saturdays. Just wipe the blade. And then when I've finished shaping my tash, I'll strop those razors about 30 laps just to get rid of any unseen moisture from the edge of the razor. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and I intend to be back at the end of this week to finish off this 7-day set. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.